Hey, this is Adam with Lizard Wraps. I'm just going to show you real quick on how we take a image and we're going to size it so we can do some lettering on the vehicle. Right here is just a picture of a van. What we do first is we'll just kind of mask it out, take some of the background away from it. So we're basically just going to draw a box around it, and then we're going to highlight both effects, and then we're going to hit mask. This is pretty simple. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take the guideline. We want to get the vehicle straight, so we're going to take the guideline down. If anybody knows about lettering these types of vans, you always letter from here or from here, never from here, obviously. Okay, so we're going to take the guideline down, and it is pretty straight. We're just going to zoom in and make sure it's straight. It's pretty straight, yeah. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take our measurements that we took on the van already. Okay, now basically we know that I measured from here to here outside on the van. Okay, and I took my tape measure, went straight across. Let's make that blue so I can see it, and I know that this line here is 40.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to make that line 40.5 inches. Okay, now there's much easier ways to do this, but this is the way we do it, and we've never had a problem. I know there's other ways, but we're going to show you real quick. Zoom out. We're just going to grab the van. We're going to always stretch it from the corners like this. And I measured from here to here. And I'm going to grab the van, move it a little bit until I get it right. A little bit more. That's it. Okay, now once you get that, as long as the picture is straight, okay, you need to make sure that you take the picture dead on straight. If you're on an angle, or your camera's on an angle, or the truck's on an angle or whatnot, you could have a problem. So the best thing to do is, like when we go out to body shops or whatnot and we need to do replacement decals for panels or whatnot, we make sure we take a perfect straight shot. Okay, you'll know if you're off or not. And then what you do is, once you save this truck, make sure you make a file and save all your vehicles and just mark them what they are, 99 E250 or whatever you have here. Okay, now we make sure that this line is correct. Okay, I measured it at 40.5 inches. So basically what we're going to do now is we can take the picture, and I know that 24.25 inches would be right in this area here, so we want to make sure we have the van straight. So I'm going to take this here and I'm going to go straight down. Change the color so I can see it, and we're going to see 24.25. Okay, so it's going to be 24.250. Okay, 24.25. Okay, so we now know that that here is 24.25. That line fit in there. This line fit in here, so we know that the rest of the vehicle is scaled. Sometimes, just to be sure, what we'll do is we'll take a measurement from here. We'll maybe put a piece of masking tape on the vehicle and then measure to the masking tape. That way we can zoom in. There's a magnetic ruler that you can buy and put it on there, and that'll give you the same thing. And then once you go ahead and do that, you can remove these marks. You have all your lines straight up, and you can just zoom in, and that's it. Once you letter it up, it's pretty easy. And we usually, before we'll save the file with all the graphics on it, we'll just mark it. Now this is a standard van. Some of these vans you just gotta be careful with. There's extended vans. You know, the other side might have a door or windows. So on the other side, you may have to take different pictures. I know that. On this one, there's no windows or anything on the other side. The only thing is the door lock. If it has barn doors in the back, it may have windows in the back or non-windows. So you get your collection together and just put them all in the same file, and you'll be fine. Like I said, now we can go ahead if we want to stripe the truck up or do anything to it. We know that everything is going to fit correctly on this van and we're not going to have any problems. There are a couple of software programs you can buy, and there's templates and whatnot you can do. Very simple. You just pull it up on the screen and it's automatically done for you. But if you don't want to purchase the program, this is another easy way to do it. Just go out with your tape measure, measure straight across, and maybe here up and down. You just need like one or two areas, and then the rest of the vehicle be squared. Most important thing is to take that picture and do not tilt the camera. Keep the camera straight, and then use your guidelines. Make sure everything is straight, the side guidelines, and that's it, and you'll have it perfect each time. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a lot of different videos put up in the near future, mostly with FLEXI-PRO, Flexi Designer. I'm going to have some tutorials on plotters, Muto tutorials, and also installations, vinyl installations, wrap installations, all different types. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye.